What's going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Nick Foy, and I've got one goal in 2021, and that's to achieve 10,000 subscribers. So if you could help me out today, just hit that red subscribe button. This is literally the only thing I care about this year. Even though I have rental properties and other businesses, I'm really just trying to focus on growing the YouTube channel this year. So thanks so much for being here, and let's go ahead and dive into today's content I've got for you, and I hope you can find value in it and stick around for future videos. In this video, we're going to talk about the vocabulary term pocket listing. It's a real estate investing term or a real estate industry term, I guess, in general. So pocket listing, what does that mean? Well, this means a situation where a real estate agent is getting ready to get a new listing of a property and they haven't yet listed it on the market, so it's still an off-market deal. So a lot of times in bigger cities, and it happens in smaller cities, but I noticed when I was working out in Los Angeles, a lot of real estate agents, because the industry is so competitive out there, a lot of real estate agents will keep these deals kind of off market for a little while, maybe the first week or two, and they'll shop it around to other agents. So they'll just kind of cold email different agents and say, hey, you know, I've got this off-market listing, you want to check it out. And so they kind of shop it around first before it goes live on the MLS where everybody's going to see it. So pocket listing kind of just means it's like a hidden listing that's off-market that only a few agents have select access to, because, you know, the listing agent gives direct, you know, outreach to their list, their influencer list of different agents they want to reach out to first. So a lot of times, you know, agents know that other agents have buyers waiting on a property like this, and so that's why they try to get the deal done off market first if they can. That way it doesn't get so clouded. Once they put it on market, you know, they're going to have tons of showing requests, tons of offers coming in, which, yeah, might serve their client best. So that's where pocket listings are kind of a gray area. You got to make sure if they're legal or not, because sometimes it's illegal to have pocket listings. You're not allowed to, you know, advertise property until you actually get a listing contract signed. And then the MLS rules, they have, I think within the first 24 hours of getting a listing contract signed, you need to get that property live in the MLS. Otherwise, it's a violation of the MLS. So there's different rules to check into. I'm not saying pocket listings are a good thing or a bad thing. I'm just explaining what the real estate vocabulary term pocket listing means and kind of what I've seen working out in, you know, markets like California, where a lot of real estate agents get these off-market deals and they shop them around and sell them off-market, and then they just put them into the MLS and they put 0 days on market or 1 day on market in the MLS just to get the sale logged in the MLS for comp purposes, so that other real estate agents in the future want to know what properties have sold recently in the area to try to get a valuation figure to figure out what, you know, a 4 unit's worth or what an 8 unit property's worth. So by putting these properties in the MLS, even though they sold off market, it still helps the MLS system gain data for comp purposes, so they can get an idea of what values are going for in the real estate market for certain types of properties. So that's all a pocket listing really is. It's just a real estate agent who has an off-market listing that they try to shop around and find a buyer for before they go live on the MLS system. So the MLS system is just the multiple listing service. It's a real estate platform for real estate agents to upload their listings to, and then these listings go live and they syndicate out onto websites like Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, Homes.com. So all those different online websites pull their listing data off the MLS. They're intricated with each other, I guess you could say, through a syndication feed. So that's all it is. A pocket listing, just an off-market deal. Since you made it to the end of today's video, I want to share with you an amazing resource library I've been putting together. And this is truly going to be one of the best resource libraries out there. Not saying that lightly. I'm putting videos in this library every single month. There's already 50 plus videos in here, and it's going to grow to a couple hundred plus videos. So just hours and hours and hours of content in here, teaching you everything you need to know about real estate investing. So there's real estate lectures. I'll occasionally do some live streams as well, and I'll upload those in here. Got plenty of PDF downloadable resources, worksheets. We're going to have Excel sheets in here, like analyzing real estate deals, so you can use these different Excel sheets. So huge resource library full of training videos. You're going to learn everything you need to know about buying rental properties, you know, flipping houses, financing strategies, where to find these deals, how to market for deals, that sort of thing. But I do have a couple other courses that are mini courses. They're not really mini. They're still full of, you know, tons of videos. So this one, for example, is my rental property investing made simple course. And then I've got these flipping houses made simple. So if you want to learn rental property investing, you can enroll in just the rental property investing course. Again, there's going to be, 30, 40, 50 plus videos, and it's going to grow over time, covering everything you need to know about rental properties, And then same thing with the flipping houses course, just 30, 40, 50 different videos, hours and hours of content to learn how to flip houses. I've been doing both these strategies for over 7 years now. I own, multiple rental properties. I've had, thousands of dollars in flipping profits, in the six figures. So these are tips and experiences, live walkthroughs of houses that I'm, buying and renovating. I show you through one of my most recent flips that I did. So check those courses out, or check out the master course, the Real Estate Investing School. This is going to have, even a larger selection of content to go through, teaching you all kinds of different strategies like Airbnb, land development, new construction, in addition to renting and fixing up houses. So all you got to do is go to asknickfoy.teachable.com. So let's go out here to my homepage just to show you what it looks like, asknickfoy.teachable.com, and I'll link to it below in this YouTube video as well for you. But you can see the 3 different courses there that I've got, and then I've got some other ones you can check out, but these are the 3 main ones right now I've got students enrolling in. So Real Estate Investing School, rental property investing, and flipping houses. So you can check them out. Again, I've got lifetime access memberships for a one-time fee, or you can pay, I think on the Real Estate Investing School, a monthly subscription, but once you cancel your subscription, you'll lose your access. So I recommend just do the one-time fee, get it over with. It's going to be worth it. You're going to get your money back because you're going to be learning things that's going to help you make a lot of money through real estate investing down the road. So it's worth investing in the education in the meantime. So you can check out current pricing plans. Now they are going to change over time because I'm adding more content. We're growing, we're scaling. So if you notice that the price has gone up, that is why we are going to be, upping the price from time to time. But for right now, you can kind of get the early bird special pricing. So thanks so much for watching. And if you want free content, you don't have to pay for this. You can just watch videos that I make for my YouTube channel. But if you want all these resources in one resource library location to browse through, then I recommend checking out Real Estate Investing School by Nick Foy at asknickfoy.teachable.com.